Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. To do this, open your Instagram app and right here you're on your feed page, but this is not what we're talking about. We're talking about our Explore page, which is this one. Okay, it's not loading. There we go, it loaded. So this is our Instagram Explore page, and usually you come here if you want to check out new things that you want to try to find out, or just to kill time or whatever your interests are. And usually Instagram gathers information from your searches to present you with this Explore page. And I'm going to show you how to reset it right now. So go to your profile by clicking right here. Then head over to the top and click on three lines. Then click on your activity. And here, click on recent searches. And here you can see all the searches that you've done. So what you must do is click clear all. And click yes. Then head back. And this will reset your Instagram Explore page. So I hope this helped you, and see you next time.